Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, this is gonna be awesome. We are doing a Blackstone Griddle collaboration with one of our favorite YouTube cooks, Chef Johnny over at Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. This is gonna be a rockin' collaboration.
I'm very excited.
Over the past year, as we started our home cooking adventures and our YouTube channel and stuff like that, one of the YouTubers that I and Babe specifically looked up to was Chef Johnny. Super intelligent when it comes to cooking, all kinds of stuff, in the kitchen, out of the kitchen. We've gone to him many times and asked him questions about our different cooks. And so I approached him and I said, hey, you just got a Blackstone Griddle, we just got a Blackstone Griddle, and we want to do a collaboration.
Yeah, Babe.
Yeah. So what we're gonna be doing today is a monstrous breakfast sandwich. We wanted to do like our version of a cheesesteak. I told Chef Johnny, hey, you wanna do some type of your version of a cheesesteak? We'll do our version of a cheesesteak. And he's always been real encouraging to try new things in the kitchen. So we're gonna do a breakfast, big French loaf, breakfast, Ortega chili, jack cheese, ribeye steak, cheesesteak, egg, right? Right.
Yeah, like a Philly cheesesteak.
Like a breakfast sandwich, Philly cheesesteak. I don't know. It's gonna be on the Blackstone and it's gonna be large.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
So, Chef Johnny, you're awesome. Thank you for the collaboration. Can't wait to see your video.
Thank
you. And Babe,
yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So here we go!
Actually, Babe's idea was to put the green chilies in, and I thought that sounded really yummy. So we're doing bell peppers, green chilies, onions, steak. They've got Colby Jack.
Is that not the right kind of cheese for breakfast?
I mean, it's not Jack cheese, it's Colby.
Oh.
But that's good, babe. It's good, it'll be fine. And then we decided to get a huge French loaf. This little baby.
That's still warm, it's freshly baked.
It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna cut that out, we're gonna carve it, we're gonna take all the insides out so we can dump our breakfast in. Oh, and we have eggs.
Yeah.
Because that makes it breakfast.
Yeah, that's right. So in researching our little cheesesteak project, you can't use like certain types of beef because it'll get really tough and stuff like that. So everybody and everything I've read, ribeye. Ribeye is the best thing. So we got a boneless ribeye. I cut it up into little, as you can see, I cut it up into little pieces, and then we're gonna throw that on the Blackstone.
Oh yeah.
What do you? No, babe. No.
No.
So you're carving out a little cavity, a little coffin,
yeah,
if you will, and that's gonna be our breakfast sandwich. It's gonna be a gigantic, massive, mega breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, it's gonna be yummy.
All right, let's start by laying down a little bit of the peppers. Got them all cut up for our massive breakfast sandwich. That's a little tiny bit of oil. What do you think, babe? Should we already add the onions in right now?
Yeah, I would.
Add some onions?
Mm-hmm.
What about the Ortega chilies?
Do it, babe.
Do it? Just a little bit of onions.
Mm-hmm.
You want to caramelize them, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that enough onions?
That looks good, babe.
I mean, we have a fair amount of steak.
Yeah. That looks good.
More peppers, or is that enough? What do you think?
Maybe some more bell peppers, yeah.
Couple more bell peppers. And I like to hear the sizzle and stuff.
Okay, babe. Dump those chilies in.
I'm a big fan. Oh, look at me. I'm a big fan of Jack. I guess I bought the wrong Jack cheese, but Jack cheese and Ortega chili omelets, those are good. So that was kind of the idea. And the juice from the chilies is gonna kind of steam the onions and the bell peppers. What are you doing, babe?
Oh, I'm putting butter on the bread so we can grill it and make it nice and toasty. Okay, babe, what's next?
So I'm gonna just let these chill for a minute. I have this side on low. I have this side a little bit higher. And the vegetables are kind of, I should cover them, but the vegetables are kind of steaming in the Ortega chili juice. And so we're just gonna leave that over there for a minute. Let's add our ribeye steak. I'm gonna start incorporating it all. How many eggs was this, babe?
5 eggs.
5 eggs. This thing's huge. So you buttered this?
I buttered the bread.
You buttered the bread, so let's put it.
Now you're gonna grill it up.
Yeah.
Make it nice and toasty.
Just put 2 pieces of cheese right here. And then let's put 2 pieces of cheese right here. We'll start with that.
So good. Oh yeah, babe.
Should have some more fixins in it.
It's gonna be humongous. Need to invite the neighborhood over.
This is a Chef Johnny sandwich right here.
Yeah.
Okay, babe's putting the final little cheese on it.
That is gonna be so good.
That's a monster sandwich, huh, babe?
Oh my gosh, babe. This is huge. That's silly. Nice toasty bread.
Holy moly. There you go, Chef Johnny. There it is. All right, it's the moment. It's the moment of truth. Holy moly, babe.
There you are.
This thing. Look at this thing. Wow, that smells fantastic.
There I are.
There we are.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Here's to you, Chef Johnny. Cause damn,
It's good.
wow, it's good. Wow.
The chilies were a good idea.
Yeah, the Ortega Chiles. Eggs, ribeye steak cut up, bell peppers, onions, Ortega Chiles, some jack cheese, good loaf of bread, Blackstone Griddle.
It's really good, babe.
All right, guys. We're out of here. Time to start the day now.
Yeah.
Woo, that's a big meal to start the day, babe. All right, thanks for watching. What else, babe?
I need to go back to bed.
Babe needs to go back to bed.
I need some rest.
I need to go to work now.
I need to get healthy.
Yeah, get healthy, babe.
That's not healthy.
Check out some of our other videos that we have on our channel as well, right? Right. I don't know. I got nothing else. Thanks for the collab and we're out.